Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they remain on the upside after they were slightly higher yesterday. This as the minutes of the U.S. Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting indicated that the central bank will stick to its asset purchase program for some time. U.S. indices closed mixed on Wednesday. Shares in media, retailing, as well as bank sectors, they managed to trade higher. This while the combination of shares in automobiles and components, materials, and consumer durables and apparel sectors, they happen to be under pressure. This all as 38% of S&P 500 constituents managed to trade higher yesterday. Taking a look now at the after-hours action, we first begin with Twitter, which has held talks with audio chat social media company Clubhouse regarding a $4 billion takeover. This according to reports from Bloomberg. Meanwhile, Constellation Brands posting fourth quarter adjusted EPS and sales above forecast. And then now taking a look at today's expectations. In terms of earnings, we do have results due out for Conagra Brands. And then on the economic docket throughout the session, we have the IMF World Bank spring meetings. Before the opening bell, we have weekly and initial and continuing jobless claims figures. And then in the afternoon, a speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further advance, and that's in focus. The relative strength index, that's bullish and calling for further advance. Long positions above 40.56 are favored, with targets at 41.10 and 41.30 in extension. The Nasdaq sees the upside prevail, while the Dow Jones intraday sees a bullish bias of 33,230.